Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanjeev Garg. So today we are going to discuss about next solid principle, that is interface segregation principle. So interface segregation principle, we will talk about what exactly interface segregation principle is, how we should use interface segregation principle, and we will walk you through a simple code example easy to understand for you. So let's get started. So this principle is basically uh, this principle is used to keep your code clean and will ensure that interface should do what they should, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so interface segregation principle says that a class should not depend on the methods that it doesn't use. Okay, so instead of making one large interface, we should make small interface or the specific interface. So let's take an example. So let's say you are trying to design an application, printer application for the basic printer or the for the multifunctions printer. Okay, so it will have the print, fax, or scan type of the function. Okay, so let's say we have this printer interface. Okay, in this we have void print document. Okay, similarly we have scan string document, and another one is print scan, we can take as a fax as well. Okay, string fax. Okay, so at the first time, if you see this print scan and the fax, these are the good. Okay, now let's say we are trying to implement the concurrent class. Let's say basic printer has a only one functionality, that is print. So how we will do this? Okay, now let's take a class basic printer. Okay, it will implement this printer and it has three method. Okay, so system dot out dot print printing document, printing document. Okay, so now this is the basic printer and it doesn't have the scan and the fax functionality. So now how what I will do, so what will simply throw new unsupported operations exception, scan is not supported. Okay, scan is not supported. Okay, so similarly for the fax is not supported. So if you see, the basic printer class doesn't need this scan or the fax method, but this class is forced to use this method, forced to implement this method. So this violates the interface segregation principle. According to the interface segregation principle, we should make the interface small or the specific. Okay, and no class should be forced to use the method that it doesn't use. So we don't need here the scan the fax method. So this is the problem. So how we can solve this problem? We can make separate interface basically for the print, scan, and the fax. So let's how we will do. Let's make an interface printable. Okay, in printable we have the void print method, void print. Okay, string document. Okay, another method that we have, another interface, that is scannable. Okay, scannable have the scan method, void scan string document. Okay, now another is the faxable interface that we can take. Okay, faxable has fax method, void fax string fax. Okay, now in our basic printer, there is no need to implement this printer, just we have to, because this has the functionality of only printable, so we will use the printable here only. We can remove this scan and the fax because it doesn't have this functionality. Okay, so now it's working fine. Now in future, let's say if we want to implement another concrete class, multifunction printer. Multifunction printer will implement printable, it can also implement scannable, it can also implement faxable. Okay, so let's implement all the three methods, and here system.out.print. okay, printing fax or the document you can write here, and here we can write is the fax. Similarly here. Okay, there is the fax, this is fax, this is print, and we can write document here, and this one is scan document. Okay, so yeah, that's cool. Okay, so this is the way how we should segregate the interface, more specific and the small interface, so that any other class that doesn't have this functionality can need to override that method. Okay, so this is all about the interface segregation principle. I hope you got understanding of the interface segregation principle in better way by this example. So I hope you like my video, so please do comment, do like, and do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you guys.